Hello friends. So this is for Python programming, and this course is basically for the physicists. It can be for mathematicians and chemists also. So whoever want to use Python basically in scientific context. So I am Shubhadeep from IIT Kanpur, Physics Department. So today I will show you how to install Python in your computer. So and in my upcoming videos I will show you some of the simple programmings, numerical methods, and some research problems you can just handle with your computer using Python, and it will be useful for the undergraduates and postgraduate students also. So just follow. So basically the most popular OSs are like Windows, Linux, and macOS uh, all over the world. So you can have any of them and you can use Python on any kind of platforms. But I will recommend Linux for computation programming purpose. Okay, so for Windows I will recommend third-party softwares like Anaconda Python. Okay, it is very easily downloadable and available in internet, and you can also install Anaconda Python in Linux or Mac also. But in Linux and Mac, Python is pre-installed. Okay, so just you need to install the important packages whatever you require for your programming purpose. You may have some different scientific packages like suppose numpy, so that is basically numerical Python. Basically numpy is for numerical Python, and there are different kind of packages are there. So for Linux users, this Python is basically pre-installed, and IPYTHON is a very good tool. It is like a handy calculator. It is in hand calculator like thing. So whatever you want to do some small calculation, you can use that, and you can just install Python packages from your terminal in Linux machine, and obviously you can install third-party software. So I am showing that what software is that, Anaconda. So basically whenever you search Anaconda Python in Google, you can just open this first website, this one, www.anaconda.com, and in this web page, if you just go to the bottom of this web page, so here you can see that Anaconda installers are there for Windows, macOS, and Linux, three kind of OSs. Okay, so here you can see that two kind of Pythons are available here, mainly Python 3.7 and 2.7. I will recommend Python 3.7 because it supports a lot of updates, and their technical supports are there for Python 3.7. Python 2.7 will be stopped. Okay, so you can just download any of the installer depending on your OS and install it. It is purely graphical based, so you can easily install this on your machine. Now I will show you how to install Python packages or something essential things in your computer. So I will show that from the terminal. I am using Linux Mint here, so you can use any kind of Linux distribution, and these terminal based machines are almost same. Okay, so you can just, for installation packages, you should have Python 3 pip. Okay, so for that installation you just write sudo apt install Python 3 pip. Yeah, so machine password. So as it is my newest version installed, so it is showing, but for your case, if it is not installed, it will install. Okay. And next, suppose you want to install Python numpy packages, numpy package. So basically for that you have to write like pip3 install numpy. So it will download and install. So as it is installed in my machine, so it is not doing anything more. Okay, so this is how you can install your Python packages on your computer. Now I will show how to use Python. Suppose you want to use Python 3. For Python 2 it will be just you have to write Python, and Python 3, Python, and another just 3. This is for Python 3. Okay, here you can just write print command, suppose like this. Okay, so I'm writing hello world and it is printing hello world. Suppose you want to just add 2 plus 3, it will show you 5. So this is how Python works, line by line. So this is an interpreter language. It is not like C or C++, because you need to compile that program and then you have to run. So first you have to successfully compile and then run. But here in Python you don't need to compile, you don't need to do such things. It will be just the software will read one by one line and interpret it as it is. Okay, so for exiting, just write command exit, first bracket start and first bracket close. So now if you want to write some big code, some big program, you need a file and you have to run that. So how you will do that? Just so gedit is like notepad in Windows, so you can just write it like this, gedit, suppose your Python file, some window. So I have written something. Okay, so this is basically the same thing, print hello world. Okay, so now close it, it is saved. Now you have to run this main.py file. So just look at this thing, that like it is not like text file, it is Python file. So for this, how computer will know? From this extension, the .py file, a main.py. So main is the file name and .py is the extension. Okay, so now if you write Python 3 main.py, it will print hello world here. So this is how you can write a Python program from file. Okay, so for today this is done. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel.